Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Use 2 Maggi 70G packs, 500 ml water, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1/2 cup chopped vegetables. Start by gathering all ingredients on the counter and chopping 1/2 cup mixed vegetables such as carrots, scallions, and bell pepper. Crack 2 eggs and beat lightly if making egg drop style or set aside for poaching. Measure 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a pinch of chili or black pepper. Have bowls, a saucepan, a fork, and a timer ready. This speeds cooking and keeps flavor. Bring 500 ml water to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan over high heat. Once boiling, add the noodles and break them if you prefer shorter strands. Stir gently to separate. Add chopped vegetables now to cook with the noodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until tender but slightly firm, testing at 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Stir in the Maggi seasoning packets, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon oil to emulsify the broth. Let the residual heat finish the vegetables while you prepare eggs or garnish. For egg drop ramen, slowly stream beaten eggs into hot broth while stirring to create ribbons. Serve immediately to keep texture delicate. For poached eggs, reduce broth to a gentle simmer, crack eggs into the liquid, and cook 3 minutes for soft yolk or 4 minutes for slightly firmer yolk. Garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped scallions, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and a squeeze of lime if liked. Add toasted sesame seeds or a dash of chili oil for more heat. Plate in deep bowls and eat hot for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.